Welcome. Today I am with Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition and I'll show you a couple camera tricks and the most useful features. So we are going to start from the standard modes. And first we are in the photo mode where we can adjust the brightness level manually. So you have to tap on the screen and then you can move this sun icon on the right or the left to increase or decrease the brightness level. Of course, you can make it manually by tapping on the screen once. Another option that we can use, you have to tap right here, and right now we are able to add delay to your shutter between 2, 5 or 10 seconds. I'm gonna select 2 seconds, so right now when you press on the shutter, after this time, the photo will be taken. Right now I'm gonna turn it off. When you click right here, on the right upper corner, you can quickly change the color and the temperature on the photos. We got here a few default filters, and you can also change the filter strength by moving this slider on the right or the left. You can also find other filters and displays. Let me just turn it off and go for the original. Okay, so honestly, that's all we need to talk about the photo mode. When you move to the video mode, we can do the same. So take a look. You can change the brightness level automatically or manually. When you click right here, you are able to improve the stabilization. So right now we activate the super steady mode. And in this place, we can just do the same when you talk about the filters. Let's set the original and let's go back for other options. So another option you can find in the More tab right here. We got very interesting the Dowell Recording option, so we have to tap on it once to enable, and as you can see right now we get preview from the two cameras, the selfie camera right here and the rear camera. We can record video like that at the same time. We can also change the theme of this records by tapping right here, so we can go for the picture in the picture preview. You can also change position by tapping right here, and the same when you go for this split view. To record, you have to just simply tap on this shutter. Let's go back, and right now we are going for the settings. So when you are in the photo mode, we have to tap on the left upper corner to enter the settings, and what we can find right here. At the first, we are going for the advanced recording options. Oh, that's my bad, not here. We are going for the shutting methods. So in this place, we can change volume button function. You can find them right here. And currently we can use them as a shutter, so we can take picture or record video, but also we can zoom in and zoom out. And that's very useful. Just take a look. When you press volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in maximum to the 30 times. And right now when you go that far away, we get also the small preview on this right upper corner. And also you can zoom out by pressing volume down button. Okay, right now it will be a little bit faster and we will catch focus. Okay, there it is, because we were too close to the object. And also we can switch lenses. As you can see right now we are on the ultra wide lens. Okay, let's go back. Let's stay with this zoom option. When you go for the shotting methods, we can also use the voice shutter, so we can say smile, cheese, capture or shot to take photo or record videos by saying record video. So let's enable and let's take a look on this option. We are going to test smile. Smile. One more time. Smile. As you can see, the photo was taken. So the option is working, but you have to keep your mouth a little bit closer to the bottom microphone. Okay, right now I'm gonna turn it off. We can also add the floating shutter button. So take a look, right now we got additional shutter, and it's useful when you are holding your phone like that in the one hand and you cannot use your second hand, and you can just simply tap right here and take photos. You know, when you cannot reach this one, it will be definitely useful for you. When you put it back, this shutter, you can just attach it right here, or just simply get rid of that by tapping on the switcher. And then another option that is turned on as default is the palm gesture. So we can go for the selfie camera and then record video or take photo by showing palm of our hand. So let's try it. As you can see, our hand is detected, and every time we show our palm, we can take photo, and the same when we try to take video. Okay, right now we can go back for the settings. That's all from the shotting methods. And the settings to keep, honestly, there's nothing interesting. You can, for example, save your filters that you set up. So we have to enable the switcher. But we can also add the grid lines to the screen. So right now, as you can see, this help grid lines shows on the screen, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. Like for example, if you want to get this item to be in the middle like that, with this option, you can make it definitely easier. Just take a look. Okay, so I think that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.